guys, this is Craig with Clean Cut Yards. This is my second DIY trimmer line spool rack for an open trailer. The first one I made was successful, but required painting, lots of holes, bending of metal. It was a little elaborate. It was inexpensive, but a little too elaborate. Today, we're going to mount this spool of black diamond on my new trailer. She's 4 months old, but she's new to me. On my new trailer with supplies I got from Home Depot for $8.48. So $8, 48 cents, walked out of there, and I've got a spool rack for my trailer. So real quick, it's a matter of obviously opening the hole. This was pre-drilled. After we drill you a hole. The supplies you'll need, I'll show you guys in a second at the end of the video exactly what you'll need. But this is a 3/8 inch bolt. It's 1 foot long threaded. I cut it down to meet the needs of my spool and my trailer. 2 wing nuts, one for top, one for bottom. 1 lock washer goes on the bottom. 2 large flat washers that both go on top, and they will separate this spring, which actually supplies the tension on the spool. So when you're pulling the line out, it's not just flying on you. Plus it's actually moving a little bit depending on how much tension you got on it. So we'll take the bolt, slide on up. We'll put our spool of black diamond right on the trailer. We'll slide our first large flat washer all the way down. They're a little tight, but I think that's a good thing. Then goes the spring, the second flat washer, and then this wing nut. And as I'm tightening the top, I'm also going to be tightening the bottom, so both wing nuts be tightened at the same time. The top wing nut is now pulling down on the spring, which is supplying the tension for the black diamond. So now it'll spin right off, but not so loose that it's flying all over the place. I can tighten it up or loosen it up as needed. And this whole thing was done for $8.48. I'll finish up showing you guys a picture of all the items I purchased. And I hope a couple of you guys can take advantage of this. You guys have a good day.